Here at the Wood Den, we saw your logs into lumber. And we use a bandsaw mill. Wood Den safety tip number 3. When using a bandsaw mill, remember the 3 S's. Straight. You want to keep the log straight on the mill, or you're not going to cut a straight board. Square. We have clamps on our mill to keep the log square. And supper. Because after sawing logs for a whole day, we eat supper. We're hungry. This is our bandsaw mill. The first S is straight. We have our logs straight here on the bandsaw mill, and it's time to saw a log. Square. You want to keep your log square on the sawmill. We use these clamps called dogs to keep the log square. The third S is supper. After a long day of sawing logs on this sawmill, we like to make our own supper.
Never cut your coconuts on the sawmill. Oh, that's good. Never, always cut your spaghetti squash on the bandsaw. Makes it taste better. Never, always cut your pineapple on the bandsaw. The hardened steel blade makes it taste better. We like our bacon thinly sliced at the Wood Den. That's why we put it on the bandsaw.
Never use the bandsaw in the dark.
Do not ride on top of the bandsaw.
Most importantly, do not text while using the sawmill. Never drink alcohol while using the sawmill. This is what happens.
Always dress properly when using the sawmill.